Alrighty, it's Josh, and I just wanted to make this video for our call today about home services companies and working with them. Um, I just wanted to share, kind of from the salesperson's perspective, what how you want to think about it. So there's two products that really are a bit more advanced that we want to think about for home services company and home products company. And I'll use a couple examples with a company that's reached out to me recently just to give an overview on that company and how to go through it. So I'm in touch with the owner of the company, and they've asked me to come and present to them and do a meeting for them, which is going to happen on about a week. So in order to prepare for that, I want to go in and make sure that we have a snapshot report. And so for them, this company's called Circle B. So I'm just going to search them in my accounts. If I don't have an account yet for them, probably not time to be running any special reports until I can have a call with them. But let's go ahead and find their account here because this is a company that I've worked with before, Circle B Barnes. And they actually have three different websites. They sell barn kits, they build barns, and they bought another company, which is kind of a circular barns called Merry-Go-Round Pens. And so, with these three companies, they actually need a lot of support. So one of the things that has gotten their attention is our partnership with This Old House and talking about video. So that relationship is certainly strong. And then, of course, they have received a number of campaigns, and so I've set them up for some of our campaigns, including the home improvement campaign, local business campaign, and then just getting to know me as a neighbor. They do have a few active products, but not really. They're not really using any of our active products. So we do have a snapshot report, which is from May 2020. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that report. And what that shows is that, when we ran this report the last time, it is about a year ago, but chances are a lot of these things haven't changed much. And so we'll go ahead and chalk this up. And I might run a report on their other businesses. But this is their main business. And so I don't necessarily need to run it on their other websites because this is going to show that, there's an issue. And I could add some competitors and I could do some other things. But really, this is a good example of kind of where they are. So it's going to give me. This is one of the more important pages. They're not doing enough social. Their website needs help. Their advertising needs help. Their SEO needs help. Listings, reviews, all of those things. Now, this is for this particular website. The listings report has, they've got a Google and a Facebook page, but all of this information is missing. And so I'll just present this to them as, this is kind of a basic thing they need to do. We do have some reviews. They have 32 Google reviews, so it's not terrible. So their reviews are actually not bad. The challenge is they're just not getting enough reviews. Um, and they're not getting enough each month for an e-commerce company. And then on social, I may or may not add this because um, they don't necessarily have all of their social plugged in, but you can add these things or remove these things. So part of it is these little buttons over here I can add or remove, and that gives me the chance to do that. So I can go back into social right here, and I can actually select it and say, yeah, I do want to show, social on that. So it gives you the chance to kind of go in and select those things. Probably this is the best slide I'm going to show them is about the homepage because they don't have a video, and I'm going to really focus on video. So this says homepage size is kind of big. They don't have a Facebook link. They don't have an Instagram link. They don't have a Twitter link. So some of these things need to be fixed. And I might do an updated page just in case, or I might double check on these things just in case. Um, as far as we could see, we don't see any advertising. And, this definitely gives me a sense of kind of what they need to do and where they need to be going. So these are all things that we can fix for them basically for our 510 a month package. they wanted to do more, then it's going to cost them more. But for basically for 5, 10 a month, I can do everything but advertising. And listings do take a little bit of time. But this even shows some of the organic numbers and some of the organic info that we could certainly leverage. So it's pretty good. It shows those keywords, and those are great for SEO. So this definitely gives us really a lot of value to go back and talk to them about. So mainly, what I'm going to do is share this page with them and go through it so that they know what we're talking about. But in order to do that, if you were just setting up an account for the first time, you would simply go into the account and select Run Snapshot Report from that page. All right, good luck. Thanks so much.